Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change email address on Temu. First thing, you want to click on You at the bottom of your screen in the middle. From over here at the top left corner, it's going to show you your account's name. Click on your account's name. Once you do that, it's going to bring you on this page. And over here, as you guys can see at the top where it says 1 to step, right beside 1 to step, there's a little small pen and pencil looking icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to this page. Over here, you can see where it says email, and right beside email, it shows me edit. I need to click on edit. Once I do that, it's going to take me to my email editing page. Over here, I can enter my new email over here. So I'm going to enter my new email. Once I enter my new email, I can click on continue, and it's going to send a verification code to my email. Now I can open my mail and type in the verification code. Once I type in the verification code and the code is correct, my mail over here should be changed. So that is how you guys can change your email address on Temu. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel 1 step for future Temu videos just like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.